Let's make pepperoni pizza. First, add 1 cup of warm water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of yeast. Then mix. Next, cover with plastic wrap and let it sit for 5 minutes. Next, add your yeast mixture into a mixture bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then 1½ teaspoon of sea salt. Then mix on a stand mixer with the dough hook. Once you mix for a little bit, add 2 cups of flour. Then go back to the stand mixer. Once it looks like this, you'll know you're done. Once your dough is fluffed up, then you